back to my channel Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rice with black mushroom, also known as DIRI DJON DJON. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 1.5 cup lima beans mixed with green peas, 2 parts of dry mushroom, also known as DJON DJON, 2 cups of water, 1 strainer, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Haitian Epis, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 hot pepper, 4 cloves, thyme and parsley, and 2 cups of jasmine rice. Right now, I am washing the peas. Now, I just add 2 cups of water with the DJON DJON just to get the stock. Now, I'm straining it to remove the mushroom. Medium-high heat, I'm adding the 3 tablespoons of oil and Haitian spice and let it fry until golden brown. Now I'm adding the beans and peas and let it saute for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding the coconut milk and let it reduce for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm adding the hot pepper, thyme, parsley, and cloves. Now I'm adding the mushroom stock and let it boil for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding the butter. Now I'm going to wash the rice until the water is clear. After that, I put the rice in the pot, stir it, and let it simmer until the water is evaporated. After the water is evaporated, I put the stove in a low temperature and cover the pot with aluminum foil and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. This is the end result. Now, the rice is ready to eat. Bon appétit! Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I also want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please like, share, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I will do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.